Alright. I love doing this stuff, finding these missing angles. This is fun. Alright, let's do this. Let us see. There are always a few ways to solve these problems, because if you look at this angle 3y plus 53, it's because these are vertical angles, you could say, oh, it's equal to that, and then, oh, it's equal to this angle here, because they're corresponding. Or you could say they're alternate exterior angles. Anyway, regardless, they are equal. So 3y plus 53 is equal to 7y minus 55. Okay. I just want to isolate y, so I think it's best if I subtract 3y from both sides. So let's do that first. So 53 is equal to, that would be now 4y minus 55. And then I'm going to add 55 to both sides. So that would be 108 equals 4y. If I divide it by 2, that's 54, and then divide it by 2 again, I'll get y. I can do this with mental math, right? 54 divided by 2 is 27. Alright, so 27 for y. Alright, moving on. Let's take a look at the measure of angle 1. So this angle 1, and then we're going to look at angle 2. So angle 2 here. Well, what do we notice about those two angles? They form a linear pair, which means they add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so the first angle here, x plus 5, right? Plus the next angle here, which is 4x plus 10, right? Adds up to 180 degrees. Alright, so 5x, if I combine the like terms, plus 15 equals 180. And then I subtract 15 from both sides, and I get 5x is equal to 165. So x, if you use your calculator for that, I know that 5 goes into 120 times, and then 13 times into 65, so that would be 33. Or just use your calculator. That would work. Alright, number 4, what do we have here? We've got two variables, but if we look here, we saw this a lot in the last, number 1. We have alternate interior angles which are congruent, so that's going to be easy. So 3x, that means they're equal, right? Congruent. Equals 5x minus 20. Yeah, okay, so let's see. We've got, I guess I say negative 2x equals negative 20, so x equals 10. So if x equals 10, this angle here would measure 30 degrees. Okay, why is that helpful? Well, let's change some colors here. Okay, so this angle here, and then this angle over here, 4y, right? These are consecutive interior angles, so they are supplementary. Okay, so if I take 4y plus 2y plus 30, I'm not going to use the 3x because I'll have two variables. I don't want that, right? Plus 2y plus 30 degrees. I keep changing colors. I don't really need to. Equals 180. Right? And so I combine all these, 6y, and I'm going to subtract 30 right away, equals 150. So y equals 25, right? 25 times 6 is 150. Alright, so it looks like we've solved for x and we've solved for y. And that's it.